Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. As you know, in this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CVSE and WBBSE solutions of all subjects. So my dear students, as usual, today also I came up with an important topic, that is fraction, and I am going to clear your concept and make this chapter interesting for you. For understanding this particular chapter, you must know what is a numerator and what is a denominator first. These are the simple terms, just you need to remember. So after drawing a line like this, if we write a number above this line in this particular place, that will be our numerator. Make sure this numerator are the natural numbers. Similarly, if we write a number below this line, that will be considered to be our denominator. So here both numerator and denominators are any natural numbers. Natural numbers means the number starting from 1 and it will be 2, 3, 4 and so on, all the counting numbers. Okay, so here this one is the numerator and this one is the denominator. So let's start with an example to understand this concept better. So as you can see, here we have 2 boys. Okay, so number of boys here is 2. How many girls are there? 1, 2, 3. So total number of girls here is 3. Now can you say the total number of students here? So total number of students here is 2 boys plus 3 girls, that is 5. Now if I ask you, can you tell me what is the total number of students who are girls in this particular class? Can you tell me? Yes, you can tell, ma'am, there are 3 girls in this particular class. But out of how many students? As you can see, total we have 5 students. So we will write this 5 in the denominator. So this is the fraction of number of girls in this particular class. So whenever you are asked to find out any fraction, first you need to find out the total value or total number which is given to you. Here the total number of students are 5, and as you are asked to find out the fraction for number of girls, so you will count 1, 2, 3, so 3 by 5. Is it clear to you? So my dear students, to make your concept more clear, I am going to ask another question from this particular information given. My dear students, can you tell me what fraction of these students are boys here? Yes, I know you all can answer. Then also I am going to help you out. Just verify whether you have got the correct answer or not. Students, first we will draw a line like this. Now, how many students are boys here? 1 and 2. That means 2 boys are there. Out of how many students? Total number of students given is 5. So here the fraction will be 2 by 5. Always remember, what you are asked for, you write in the numerator, and the total value of that particular thing will be written in the denominator. Now my dear students, if I write here 25 by 5, can you tell me which one is the numerator and which one is the denominator here? Yes, you are absolutely correct. 25 is the numerator and the denominator here is 5, as both 25 and 5 are the natural numbers. My dear students, can we cancel 25 by 5? Yes, we can cancel out. We can get it as 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. That means 25 by 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So these two fractions are known as equivalent fraction, because after cancelling the ACF, we are getting the same numerator and denominator in both the fractions. So my dear students, can you tell me, whenever I am writing 5 by 1, can I write this 5 by 1 as 5? Yes, we can. Why we can? Because whenever we don't write anything in the denominator, that means by default we have 1 here. But if we write only 5 here, this 5 is known as whole number or natural number. Any number starting from 0 and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, all the counting numbers will be whole numbers. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, if we start from 1 and we just go on like this, those are the natural numbers. So here this 5 is not only a whole number or a natural number, but it is a fraction as well, as here 5 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator, and both 5 and 1 are the natural numbers. So my dear students, you must remember that we can represent every natural number as a fraction where the denominator will be equal to 1. But every fraction cannot be represented as natural number. Yes, it is for sure that the numerator and denominator of a fraction must be a natural number. But in case of natural number, the denominator must be 1. So we can say every natural number is a fraction, but all fractions are not natural numbers. Now, my dear students, let us practice a worksheet to understand this particular topic better. So here, according to the question, you are asked to write the fraction of the colored parts. So as you can see, we have been given a square here, and we have done equal parts of this particular square. Equal parts. Always remember, fraction must be of equal parts. So here we have how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total how many parts are there? 4. That will be written in the denominator. Now you need to find out the fraction of colored parts. So here how many parts are colored? 1 and this one is 2. So 2 parts. You write 2 in the numerator. So your required fraction is 2 by 4. So your answer will be 2 by 4 here. And my dear students, if you want, you can keep the fraction like this, or you can just cancel out the HCF, that is highest common factor. What is highest common factor? The highest value by which this 2 and 4 both are divisible without leaving any remainder. So if we go through the multiplication table of 2, you will get 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So here we have 1 by 2. And here, as we have learned about co-prime numbers before, and here as 1 and 2 are co-prime number, so we cannot further cancel it out. So we will get our answer as 1 by 2. Let us move on to the next one. So this is a circle. This circle is equally divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And you are asked to find out the fraction of the colored part. So how many parts are there? Total 3, which will be written in the denominator. And how many parts are being colored? 1, 2. So we'll write here 2. So our answer will be 2 by 3. As 2 and 3 are both co-prime, you cannot cancel it out with any other number other than 1. So leave it like this. Your answer will be 2 by 3. Now let us move on to the next one. So here we have rectangle, and this rectangle is equally divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts. So you will write 6 in the denominator, as I have asked you to write the total number of parts in the denominator. Now find out how many parts are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write here 4 by 6. As you can see, both 4 and 6 can be cancelled out by 2, or it is divisible by 2. So let us divide it by 2. We will get 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So our answer will be 2 by 3 here. Now let us move on to the next one. As you can see, here also we have a circle. So let us find out how many parts it is divided into. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total number of parts here is 8, in which this circle is being divided, and all these parts are equally divided. Now you need to find out how many parts are being colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of 8, 4 parts are being colored. So we will get 4 by 8. Now if we cancel this 4 by 8, if we divide it by 4, we will get 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8, as both 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. Now 1 and 2 are co-prime, so you just write 1 by 2 here. This is our final answer. You can leave it without cancelling also. Then also your answer will be correct. Next, as you can see, here is a rectangle. So let us count the number of parts in which this particular rectangle is divided into. Make sure all the parts are equal in shape and size. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That means we have total 10 equal parts. Out of this 10 equal parts, how many parts are being colored here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will have 6 in the numerator. So our answer will be 6 by 10, or we can cancel it out with 2. You will get 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So here the fraction will be 3 by 5. Let us move on to the next figure. This is also a square which is given in a turning position. So here how many parts it is divided into? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total you will get here 4 in the denominator, and how many parts are being colored here? 1. So 1 by 4. As both 1 and 4 are co-prime, so you just leave it like this. This will be our final answer. Now let us move on to the next figure. So here it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 equal parts. So let us write 6 in the denominator, that is the total number of parts. And how many parts are being colored here? 1, 2. So you write 2 by 6. As you can see, we can cancel out both the numerator and denominator by 2. So let us do so. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. As 1 and 3 both are co-prime, so just write 1 by 3. Next, in this particular figure, we can find that this is a square and it is divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts. So we will write 4 in the denominator, and how many parts are colored out of 4? 1, 2, 3. So you just write here 3. Your final answer will be 3 by 4. Let us move on to this circle. So this particular circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So you just write 4 in the denominator, and how many parts are colored out of this 4? 2 parts. So 2 by 4. So as you can see, we can cancel out this 2 and 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So you will get 1 by 2 as your final answer. So my dear students, let's conclude this topic with the definition of fraction. A fraction is a number which can be represented in the form of a by b, where both a and b are the natural numbers. So my dear students, I hope this concept is clear to you. If you find the content of this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. And stay connected. In the next class, we are going to discuss the question answers of this particular topic. Stay safe and happy, students. See you in the next class. Bye-bye everyone.